This is a TV.
This is a TV.
This is a toy.
This is a toy.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a door.
This is a door.
This is a wall.
This is a wall.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a ramp.
This is a ramp.
This is a sofa.
This is a sofa.
This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a plant.
This is a plant.
This is a plant.
This is a plant.
This is a window.
This is a window.
This is a pillow.
This is a pillow.
This is a remote.
This is a remote.
This is a fan.
This is a fan.
This is a blanket.
This is a blanket.
This is a picture.
This is a picture.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a curtain.
This is a bookshelf.
This is a bookshelf.
This is a coffee table.
This is a coffee table.
Yay, we did it! This is a pencil.
This is a pencil.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a clue.
This is a clue.
This is a tape.
This is a tape.
This is a chalk.
This is a chalk.
This is a marker.
This is a marker.
This is an eraser.
This is an eraser.
This is a ruler.
This is a ruler.
This is a ruler. This is a clock.
This is a clock.
This is a notebook.
This is a notebook.
This is a sharpener.
This is a sharpener.
This is a school bag.
This is a school bag.
This is a paintbrush.
This is a paintbrush.
This is a paint palette.
This is a paint palette.
This is a paper clip.
This is a clipper clip.
This is a stapler.
This is a stapler.
This is a notebook. Paper. This is a notebook.
Paper.
This is a calculator.
Calculator.
This is a calculator.
Calculator.
This is a globe.
This is a globe.
This is a divider.
This is a divider.
This is a compass.
This is a compass.
This is a protractor.
This is a protractor.
This is a spoon.
This is a spoon.
This is a fork.
This is a fork.
This is a knife.
This is a knife.
This is a plate.
This is a plate.
This is a bowl.
This is a bowl.
This is a cup.
This is a cup.
This is a napkin.
This is a napkin.
This is a mug.
This is a mug.
This is a kettle.
This is a kettle.
This is a teapot.
This is a teapot.
This is a tray.
This is a tray.
This is an egg pan.
This is an apron.
This is a whisk.
This is a whisk.
This is a rolling
This
pin.
is a rolling.
This is a jar.
This is a jar.
This is a frying
This is
pan.
a frying pan.
This is a frying
This is a
pan.
frying pan.
This is a grater.
This is a grater.
This is a peeler.
This is a peeler.
This is a chopping
This
board.
is a chopping board.
We know our kitchen words.
We know our kitchen words.